The next strategy we're going to talk about is empathy in the interactions. Empathize with other people. Let's say you're on a business call or one of your friends call you and they're like, hey, I had a bad day. Don't just not acknowledge their feelings. Say, hey, is everything okay? Is there anything that I can do to make it better? Take a second to recognize other people, their feelings, their emotions, what's going on. I know we live in a world where we're so self-centered, but these small tips and tricks can really show your empathetic side, and people really appreciate that. And another way you can practice empathy is by paying attention to non-verbal communication cues. The funny thing is that psychologists say that 92% of our communication is nonverbal. It's in our body language, the way we put our eyes, the way we speak, our tone. This is where you're going to really see how people are feeling and their perspective. So pay attention to that as you're interacting and building communication with others. And the funny thing is that having empathy and being compassionate, it's not hard. You just have to be present, you have to be observant, and you have to be in a space where you want to understand those around you. That's also going to benefit you, because what I've come to learn is that by being empathetic and by having clear communication, I'm able to see what's a good fit for me and what's out of alignment.